recording. Okay. Paul Walker, new neutral safety switch, and what else? Shift position switch. And freed up all the linkages. All that crap, I mean, that good stuff is all right in there. Give it a shift forward, Matthew. There's the electric motor. Neutral. Reverse, please. Reverse. Neutral. Hold on a minute. Forward. Look at that electric shift go. Is that incredible? Neutral, please. Let it stop for a second. I'm gonna get Matthew in here so you can see him shifting. Okay, forward. Neutral. Reverse. Hey, it's fixed, Paul. For now, until next time, here at Hot Heads Marine.